So, hi guys, welcome to TechZinka once again. Today we are back with an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A50. So let's start. As you can see the box looks quite premium. The printed price on the box is 21,000 rupees, but I got it from 19,999 rupees. So without wasting any further time, let's open the box. So in the box you first get to see the phone, which looks quite premium in my first impressions. I actually opt for the blue version because the design of it, the gradient finish of it was liked by me. You can see the top of the phone and the back. There's a headphone jack and a Type-C cable port. Here's the charger. This is a quick charger of 18 watts, and obviously this phone supports fast charging. And you can see here the headphones, which is quite good but not of AKG. This is the cable. As you can see, the Type-C cable, the quality of the cable is average. So let's see what's inside this small box. I think there will be a case inside it. So yeah, I was right. There's a case inside the little box with a quick start guide and a warranty card. As you can see, and there's also a religion look guide. There's also a TPU case which is of average quality. The phone really looks quite premium. So let's boot it up. And this is the best part you have got to do in your new phone. And don't do like this. You should do like this. Yeah, perfect. The display of the phone is also quite nice, as you can see. And the fingerprint is also quite fast. So this was it for this video, and this is me, Nirjhar, signing off, and I will be back with another video. I think I will be doing a review of this. Let's see. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel TechZinka and do like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.